Hey friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I'm going to talk about my another project that is called proctl. So this project is a project management software that is basically built in the command line interface, and for building this project I have used the Go language and the Cobra library for it. Alright, so this is a copy of monday.com. So if you are aware of the monday.com website, it's a project management software. So I will be making the same copy of the monday.com by adding the functionalities of that website into my command line application. So let me show you the monday.com website. As you can see that I'm currently present in the website monday.com, and I have registered for an account, and it will basically give you 14 days trial. So only 4 days are remaining for this trial to be over. And after that, as you can see that this is the dashboard of the website, that once you first of all log in, sign up, it will show you this website. So I have created some boards and form etc. so that will not be shown to you at first, but after making these it will be shown to you like here. After that, let's open the work management, and as you can see that inside this work management, there are some workspaces. As you can see that this is the main workspace, this is the new workspace that I have created, new workspace, and main workspace was present by default. And inside these workspaces you can see that these are the folders by the name of client A, bug tracker, admin folder, Vans folder, etc. And inside these folders there are some boards like new board, admin board, single project, new form, etc. that you can name it. And if you click on this, you will see that you can rename this workspace, you can change the color, manage it, delete it, and do multiple options in it. And if you click on this plus option, you will see that you can create a new board, new doc, new dashboard, import data, etc. that I will be showing you in the upcoming videos. And after that, what you need to do is, once these boards are created, you can manage the project in it. Like you can check the status, like this is the project status, and inside this project there are some items that you can work on this, working on it, stock done, through which you can manage it. And these are the people that will basically handle this item of the project. You can add multiple people into it if you click on this plus sign, and you can give the email address of that person, and that person will be added as a member or as a viewer into your project. So these are the start conversation option, through which you can start the conversation if you want to relate it to this item. And after that, what you need to do, let me close this. How you can close this I don't know, so let's delete this one. All right, so delete it, no problem. I will be adding multiple items, etc. So I'm just showing you that how you can give the status and give the projects and manage it with the help of these workspaces and boards. So these all the functionalities will be built inside the command line interface that I will be working on. And these are the person filter, through which you can filter these projects and search it, sort it, hide it. And after that, let's go to the notification panel. And as you can see, there's the notification panel. This is the inbox, and this is the my work panel, through which you can see your works. And after that, these are the favorite the boards that will be present here. All right. And after that, this is the invite member section, through which you can give the email address of that person, and you can add it as a member or a viewer only, through which he can read it. All right. After that, let's go to the search anything, through which you can search it, like the crossboards, updates, files, people, etc. And let me show you the help section, through which you can find the help. So let's close this, I don't need to open it. And after that, let's open this one, through which you can explore more products. If you click on this, you will see that these are some of the products that you can use it. All right, some of them are free and some of them are paid. All of them have 14 days free trial also. All right, so I don't need now, so let's close this. After that, this is the account section, through which you can log out. This is the admin section, archive, recycle bin, and this is my profile. So all the things will be present here, and I will be working on some of these functionalities, but all of the functionalities will be will not be possible for me to work on at the same time or as one person. And I will make this project open source, so that you can contribute to it also, and you can see it what's I'm doing here. So let's close this because I don't need it here, and let's open the Cobra library. As you can see that this is the cobra.dev website. If you open this, you can see that this is the Cobra library, a framework for modern CLI applications in Golang. So you can build the CLI applications with the help of this Cobra library. And if you click on this GitHub repo, and if you open this, you will see that this is the GitHub repo of the Cobra library, and after that these are the files related to it, and this is one language, and this library and framework is built in Golang, and this is the overview, concepts, commands, flags, installing process, usage, etc. All right, so you can read it, you can check it, or you can even contribute to it also if you want to. So let's close this, and this is the Cobra library website that you can also check it, like about section, installation sections, concept. So there are some concepts that you need to keep in mind, and I will be using those concepts like commands, what is commands, what is arguments, and what is flags. All right, and the sub commands that I will be also discussing in these videos. All right, so these are the things that you need to keep in mind. And it has given you some example also that you can read it. These are the commands, flags, and getting started guide that how you can start in it. So I will be showing you the step-by-step process. So let's close this also. And after that, this is the GitHub repo that is mine, and I will be uploading my GitHub repo here once I complete this, and I will on daily basis I will upload the data, upload the code here so that you can also watch it. So let's open this repository. As you can see that I have already created a directory by the name of proctl. And let me show you the guide that I have written it here, and this is the guide through which you can install and initialize the Cobra library in your machine. So first of all, create a directory that I have already created by the name of proctl. Inside this directory, let's write go mode in it. So this will basically what it will do, it will create a mode file in it, in your directory, go mode in it. So let's click on this. As you can see that this is the file that is created, and it contains the module path and the go version. After that, this is the go mode td, so you don't need to write it once, because once I click on this and write it, you will see that this will basically delete all the unnecessary files that will be present inside this go.mode file. All right, so you need to keep this in mind, but I have not any unnecessary files, so it will not delete this for me. So that's why I don't need to use it. If there are some unnecessary files that are present in your machine or in this file go.mode file, then you can use the go mode td command for it. So let's clear this, and after that what I need to do is to get the latest version of the Cobra in by using the go get command. So go get you GitHub, this is the link of the GitHub Cobra with the latest version. So let's click on this, and now it is showing me that some error is here. So I don't know why. Temporary failure in name resolution, because the internet is not present here. So let's wait for the internet to come, and then we will resume this lecture. Finally, the internet is recovered. As you can see that after that what I will do, I will run the same command again, and now it I will have to wait for some time, and it will install the go.sum file for me also. So if I open this, there are some commands that will be present here, and they are installed. So let's clear this, and after that what I will do, I will install a package by the name of sudo apt install Cobra. So this package is already installed into my machine. So what I will do, I will simply click on this, and I will show you that how you can install it. Alright, so this is how it will install sudo apt install Cobra, and it will install that package into your machine. So let's clear this, and after that let's initialize the Cobra by giving a package name proctl. So you can give any package name that you want to, but I have gave the package name proctl so that the package name and the directory name should be matched. After that, let's write Cobra init and give the package name here, because I have to give the package name proctl. Let's click on this. You can see that these are the files and directory that is created when I run this command. All right, so this is the main.go file that is generated by default, and it contains some command. So what I will do, I will first of all give the proper path, because it is giving me error, and I bilal k and now slash. All right, so this is the command, and now the red underline is gone from here. Let's close this, and the cmd also contains this error. So what I will do, I will also remove the error, because I have not installed some of the packages. So let's install it, go get, and then paste the package name here. These are some of the packages and libraries that you need to install in order to remove this error. All right, so they will not give you the red underline after that if you install them. So let's write go get in the package name, and after that there is another library that you need to copy and write the same command, go get, and paste the library name here. All right. Alright, so now it is installed. So let's click on this, whether it will work or not. So these lines should go. I don't know why it is not going from here. Alright, so I have run this command by the go mod td. So this command was basically used when to delete some of the packages and the libraries, and then I installed it again, and then it removed this underline for me. Alright, so the installation process is the same by writing go get, and if it is giving you some kind of error, then you need to write the go mod td. It will basically remove the unnecessary files and libraries from your go mod file, from go.mod file, and after that the error will be resolved. So let's cancel this. Alright, so this is how it will work. Alright, so let's say clear this, and now the errors are gone from here, and as you can see that this is the file that is basically root.go, and this file will be used as a command so that you can give it, and after that this main.go file is used to execute this root.go file. Alright, so this main.go file is used to execute this root.go file, and if I write proctl, you will see that the proctl is a command that I have used it like this one inside this root.go, but it is not working for me. So I'm using it as a command line interface, so I will not write it like this, go run main.go, because if I write go run main.go, it will give me this result, but I don't need to write this go run main.go. I instead want to write it as like this command line interface. So how can I do this? So this will work like this. If I write go run main.go and proctl, it will work like this, but I don't want to write the go run main.go. Instead, what I can do is to write this command proctl and all the sub commands and the flags that I will be working on in this video, but I want to work as a command line interface, not work as a main.go file, because it's a command line interface, so that I can make it functionalize. So let's clear this and resolve this error. So what you will do is to open this this file, because I have made the nodes in it, and what you can do is to first of all write the go build and go install. So let's write go build. So it will create the package for binary file for you by the name of proctl, and after that install that binary file. Alright, so once it is installed, I will write proctl, and it will still not be working for me, although it should work if you run these commands. But if it is still not working for you, then what you can do is to copy these commands that I have written here. Alright, these are the two commands that will basically allocate the path, alright, of the go bin and the go root. So what you can do is to simply copy this command, and I will give the link, give these commands into the YouTube description also, so that you can check it. And you need to insert these commands into the bash rc, .bash rc. So what you can do is to clear this and write gedit, gedit or gedit, I can pronounce it, and then what you can do is to write this bash rc, and this will open a file for you in which you can at the end paste these commands that I have shown to you. These are the commands that you need to copy and paste it here. Once it is copied and saved it, and then close this file, and after that write the source here. Alright, instead of gedit, write the source here, space, and press enter on this. After that, let's close this terminal and open the new terminal again, and after that what you can do is to write the proctl. You will see that this proctl command is working for me. So after now it is not giving me an error that the proctl command is not found. It is successfully giving me this long description here that I have written it here. So let's see if I make some changes here, like the proctl description. And once I make some changes here, I need to first of all write go install, because without writing go install, the functionalities will not be working for you. So similarly, if I write go ctl, you will see that the longer description is still present. So I want to make this work and change it for the longer description to the proctl description. So what I will do, I will write go install, and now this description will be functionalized and they will work successfully. So what I will do, I will write the proctl again. You will see that the proctl description is now present here, because with the help of go install, this functionality is now working, and it can now work successfully. So let's clear this, and this is how you need to also do this. If you make any changes in these files, you need to first of all write go install, and then you can run these files. Alright, so I hope you understood. So just keep in mind to write these files, write these commands in the bash rc file. Alright, if it is still not working for you, then you can also write this command also, go bin and the home go/bin path that you need to give it, and export it into this bash rc file that I will be giving you the command in the description below also. Alright, so this is how it will work. So after that, what you need to do is to, first of all, I will remove these unnecessary comments that I don't need it, and then I will show you the further steps. Now as you can see that all the things are gone from here, and similarly this one is also gone from here. I need to delete this one, and what I will do, I will add the description of these files also. Alright, so before giving the description here, what I will do, I will, let's say here is only one file by the name of root.go. So let's say if I want to add multiple files, let's say I will write go Cobra add login. This will create a file for me by the name of cobra.login.go, and this will be the same file with some text in it that was previously present in the root.go file. So let's delete this also, this comments also, because I don't need it, and let's delete this one also because I also don't need it. Alright, after that let's create another file by the name of signup Cobra add signup. So you need to give this command in order to create a file in the cmd directory. As you can see that the signup directory is created, and it is the same file, and it contains some kind of comments, text that I need to remove it. After that, let's clear this also, and again write Cobra add logout. Alright, so this has created another file for me again. So let's delete this, and let's delete this one also because I don't need it. Alright, so this is how it will work. Now all these files are created. What I will do, I will add some descriptions in these files so that you can you are aware of it. So the first description is related to the root.go file. So let's copy this and paste it here. This is a short description. proctl is a project management software in CLI, and let's paste the long description also. Sorry, copy this and paste the long description. Alright, proctl is a project management software that is using the functionality of monday.com in command line interface. It has the workflow, it has the workspaces that I have forgotten to write it. Workspaces in which you can create the boards and projects and arrange the tasks according to your need. Alright, so this is how it will work. Alright, so now it is done. After that, what you can do is to save it and then move to the next thing, that is basically to update the login description. So this is the login description is short, so I don't need to write the long description for it. So I will just delete this. So if you have the long description, then the long description will be shown to you. If you have the short description, then the short description will be shown to you here. But if you have two descriptions, like the short one and the long one at the same time, then it will prefer to show you the long description. Alright, so if I delete this, then it will show me the short description. So I will delete this long one and paste the login description here. So by default it will show me the short description here if I run this. Alright, so after that the login is done. Let's save this and move to the logout functionality, that is basic also the short description, logout, and also delete this one because I don't need it, and give the short description. Confirm it to logout. So it will only ask you for the permission to log out, and then you can easily log out. Alright, so let's go to this. The logout is done. Save it, and now move to the sign up description. I have to give this as the short description because I have written it the long, but don't worry about it. So let's remove this, and the short description is here. All right, so provide an email address, full password, full name, account name in order to sign up. So these are requiring some kind of credentials, and the login is also requiring the credential like email address or password in order to log in. But the logout will only require you to confirm it and give the yes or no option in it. So let's close this main.go because I don't need it. And now what you can do is to once these descriptions are given to it, after that what you can do is to first of all if I first of all make it functionalize and make it work. So what I will do, I will write first of all go install, and it will make it work because I have updated these files. Once they are updated, if I write proctl, you will see that it is showing me the commands here also. Previously it was showing me this text only, but now it is showing me the commands also. So what is the command? The first one is the usage. So the usage is that you need to first of all write the proctl and then command. So the command could be login, sign up, logout. All right, so these are some of the commands that you need to give it. All right, so this is the application name, this is the command. All right, so I have shown you in the Cobra website that you need to remember it. So if I open this for you, you can see that these are the commands. So the commands represents an action. All right, so you can see that if I give any command like login, so it will represent an action, so that it will show you the form to basically log in. It will show you an option to log out, and it will show you an option to sign up. So this will basically show you the action so that you can perform in it. After that, there are some flags like HT. H means for help, T means for toggle. So what I will show you is that proctl, and let's write help. This is the flag that you need to keep this in mind. All right, so as you can see that this same data is shown to me again, but I have written the flag here, flag help here. All right, so you can short write like -h also, you can write it also, and it will show you the same data. All right, so this is how it will work. So the flags is basically are modifiers for those actions, and I will be showing you how you can use those files. So after that, there is only one thing that is basically, let's write the proctl, and the command is login. So let's write login. It will show you the login called, as you can see. And the next, let's say the sign up. As you can see that the sign up is called. And if I type logout, it will show me the logout functionality, that logout is called. Now I have to make them functionalize. So how can I do this? I will work on this file one by one. Now I have to work on these files in order to functionalize them one by one. All right, so first thing is to start from the login.go file, and I will select this print statement login card, and I will delete it. After deleting, what I will do, I will write login email. This is a variable, and I will keep another variable empty is equal to cmd flags, and after that write get string. All right, so inside get string I will write email. So this will basically get the string or get the flag that I will be writing here. All right, so I will write the flags here, and once these flags are written here, they will call this email, or they will call this password that I will be writing here. And once these flags are gotten, then they will be printed here. All right, so let's write the login password. This is another variable, keep the variable empty, and then write cmd flags, and let's write the get string here. All right, so password. So these two password and emails will be gotten, and they are equal to this login password and login email. Now what I have to do is to print them, because I will show you the result, that what is the data that you will be writing it here, so that you can so that it will be shown to you. All right, so let's write login email, login password. Once these emails and password are gotten, what I have to do is to first of all initialize it. So how can I do this? I will write login cmd, and then write flag cmd and cmd or flags. All right, flags. And after flags I will write the string p. All right, so this is the command that you need to keep this in mind. After that, what I have to do is to write first of all email, that I have written it here, and this email is equal to this email, and the flag is e. So the e for the email, and leave the third string empty and go to the fourth string, and that is basically I will write to specify an email address to login. So this is the description of that flag, that to specify email using this flag e, and this email is equal to this email, so that it will be this email will be getting the data from here, and as a result it will be shown to you here. All right, so let's paste it here, copy it, and write the password. All right, instead of e I will write password and p for head. All right, so let's write password instead of email. So specify the password to login, specify an email address to login, and these are the email and password. So now this will work fine. So if I write go install, and as you can see that now it is initialized. After that, what I will do, I will write proctl, and after that let's write login help. As you can see that these are the flags that is shown to me here. You can write hyphen email, or you can write hyphen e also. All right, hyphen help, or hyphen password, or hyphen p. So this will show you the specify the password to login, specify an email address to login. All right, so these are the flags. And what is the command that is showing me? proctl login flag. So first of all you have to write the proctl, then the login is the command, and the third option is the flags. So the flags will basically give you an option to write the email and password here. So let's write this passwords and email. So proctl login, and then the e is equal to bilal@gmail.com. Sorry, it is the email. All right, so I will write it. Sorry, it is showing me only the email address because I have not given the password. So what I will do, I will write the p also. So I will write 1 2 3 4. So as you can see, now the email and the password both are shown to me here. All right, so this is how you will get the result, and I will be using these emails and password later on in this series of the project, that how you can utilize it and how you can save these emails and password into the database, and with the help of these emails and password how you can log in and log out. So let's clear this. Sorry, and now let's jump into the sign up, because I have to make this work in the signup file also. So what I will do, I will delete this signup called functionality and write this data that I have written it in the login.go file. So I will write the login. I will, instead of write login, I will write signup, and here signup, and also write signup and signup. All right, after that I need to give two other variables like full name and account name. So what I will do, I will copy this and paste it here. Let's write signup full name, and signup account name. All right, so this is how it will work. Now let's write the account name. Account name and the full name. All right, after that what I will do, I will write print line, and then the sign up full name, and the print fmt print line, and then the sign up account name. Now it will show me the email, the password, the full name, and the account name after when I will give the flags to it. So let's give these, let's copy this and paste it here. Paste it second time also because I need to modify it. This is the email, the password. All right, so what I will do, I will write the sign up here, sign up. All right, sign up here and the sign up here. Now what I will do, I will leave the email and password as it is, but what I will do, I will simply write email. Instead of writing email, I will write full name. So first one is the sign up full name. All right, account name, so no problem. I will write the full name first of all. I will write this one, and here now it is full name. You can write it above or down, it's creating no problem, but I have just shown you for the purpose to make it easy for you. All right, so full name and the account name. So remember that you need to give this name and this name the same so that it can be notified. Account name, full name, and then the full name is basically, let's say, F, and the account name is for A. All right, so these are the flags, and let's specify the full name. To sign up, specify the account name to sign up. All right, so let's save this, and after that let's write go install, and it will make it functionalize for you. And after that let's write proctl sign up, and then -l, or you can write -h. It will show you the result, but it is still giving me an error. That why I don't get it. Maybe because it is showing me an error that the login flag redefined email. All right, so I need to change this, because this is a sign up CMD and this is the login CMD. So I have to change it because I have made the error here. So I will write sign up, and sign up. All right, now it will work, because these login will not allow the redefinition of the email or any string that you will write it here. So you need to change it. I have changed it from the login to sign up. Now what I will do, I will write the go install, and then it will make it easy for me. So what I will do, proctl sign up h. Now you can see that it is giving me the flags here: A for account name, E for email, F for full name, H for help, P for password. Specify the account name, specify an email address, specify the full name, specify the password, and this is the account name. All right, and this is the usage that you can write it, like proctl sign up and then the flags. And this is how it will work. So it is working successfully. So what I will do, I will write proctl sign up and then the flag. The flag could be anything like email, E for the email. Let's write E, and then write bilal@gmail.com. Then write P for the password 123, and then write the full name or for F. All right, and write the full name like Bilal Khan. All right, and then write the account name. So the account name for A is basically Bilal. All right, so let's press enter on this. Now you can see that this is the email, this is the password, this is the full name, or the account name, sorry, this is the account name. So the account name is shown to me here at the end, this is the third time, this is third way it is showing me, no problem. This is the account name, this is the full name. All right, so this is how it will work. So let's clear some of these things, like clear account name, and if I press enter on this, you will see that the account name is missing from here, and only the full name and password email is shown to me here. So this is how it will work. All right, so I hope you will understand. So now let's move to the logout functionality and clear this logout called, and after that what I will do, I will first of all call the variable. I'll declare a variable by the name of choice, and it will be string. And once it is called, what I will do, I will write the what you can say that print f, and then enter want to log out, sorry. And once it is give me the yes or no result, I will perform the action on it. All right, so it will ask you to log out. So what I will do, I will write scanln, and now you will see that it will what I have to do is to write the enter your choice. Alright, so let's enter the choice here like this one. Now want to log in, enter your choice. Alright, so the person will enter a choice like yes or no. So if the choice is equal to yes, capital Y, or if the choice is equal to small y, then what it will do, it will give me the message that what the message would be: you are successfully logged out. All right, and if the message is in the else condition, then once what it will do, else if choice is n, capital N, or the choice is small n, these two n will be giving the meaning the same, that no, and I will give the message or print line like you are not logged out. All right, after that give the else message, and what it will do, I will write println and then write the errors new, and inside this error what I will do, I will write invalid choice, invalid choice, and enter the correct one. So errors new will basically allow you to define the errors in your own terms. All right, so I have written this error, so I have to write this errors new functionality for it. So this is how it will work. So let's open this, save this here, and what I will do, I will write go install, and once it is installed, what I will do, I will write proctl logout, because there are no flags present in it, so I will just write proctl logout, logout, and if I type help also, it will to show you, as you can see that correctly there are only help for flag present here, because I have not defined any flags for it. So what I will do, I will run the same command proctl logout, and now you can see that it is showing me the option, but it is giving me an error also. That error should be avoided here, because I have written some kind of thing that is not used here. So want to log out, scan ln, maybe it should be avoided here. So if I let's install it. All right, so now if I type yes, it will show me that you are successfully logged out. Basically I have to remove those strings, because I have written it here, so sorry about that. If I write no, you will see that you are not logged out. So let's clear this, and if I type any kind of other string like threat, you will see that invalid choice, enter the correct one. So this is how it will work. All right, so I hope you understood that how the login and logout and sign up functionality will work. So these are only the if else statement and how you can add the flags in it, but I will be working on the sign up, login, and the logout functionality further on in this project, so don't worry about this. So after that, what I have to do is to these are the things. What I need to do is to first of all add the readme file here, because I need to create it readme.md. all right, so this readme file is basically used for when I will make the changes here, or when I will define the data, when I will define the project here. So this is how you will know. So let's save this, and after that, this readme file I have left it empty, but I will be writing the data in it so that you can understand the project easily. Alright, so after that, what I will do, I will first of all work on the git functionality, because I have to upload this data or this code into the GitHub repository, as I have told you before. So let's first of all write git init. And if you don't know my GitHub, if you don't know what is Git and GitHub, you can watch the 60 Days DevOps series that I have shown you briefly, that what is Git and GitHub, so that you can easily understand. Once it is initialized, after that what you will do, you will write git add and dot. All right, so now all the data, all the things, files are added here. So let's clear this, git commit, and then m, and then first phase of the project. First phase of the project. All right, so these are all the first phase of the project that I have worked on. So let's commit those changes. All right, git commit m. So it is giving me error, I don't know why. So I need to make please tell me who are you, because I have to first of all write the run these commands, and then I will be able to write the git commit. So let's first of all give the command, run these commands and give the email address and password, and then I will get back to you. Now I have given the email address and the password. What I will do, I will first of all write the git commit again and write m and first phase of the project. All right, so now if I press enter on this, you will see that these are added into the and committed into the git. So this is showing me the result correctly. So what I will do, I will increase the size of this terminal and write git log. You will see that this is the log that is shown to me here. All right, so let's clear this, and after that if I type git branch, you will see the master branch is created here. So this is working fine. So after that, the next step is to add and upload it into the GitHub repository. What I will do, I will click on this GitHub your repository, and I will create the repository and new repository. Let's give the repository name like proctl. All right, and this is the project management software in CLI. All right, so let's give the description, and I will add and further improve this description also. So this is the proctl repository name, and after that let's make it public also, so that you are aware of this. And don't add the readme file, because I have already added it. And after that let's click on this create button. All right, now it is added into the create button. What I will do, I will click this, copy this command and paste it here. Git remote add origin. So I have shown you all these commands in my 60 days DevOps challenge, so please check them out. Let's click on this, and now once it is added, I will write git push origin main, git push origin master. All right, so let's write master, because the main branch is not present. It is called the master here. All right, so let's allow this. And now let's open this. Open this again. All right, so now it is added. If I refresh this, you will see that this is the project management software that is present here in the CLI, and it is successfully updated. All right, so this is how it will work. If I open any of these commands like signup, or you will see that all these files and commands are present here. All right, so this is how it will work, and this is now updated and uploaded into the GitHub. So now you can easily manage it and see it and you can contribute to it also if you want to. So I have make it public for you, so you can see it. All right, so I hope you like this video. So if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.